In Hebrew, Lechoo means to walk, and Yaladim means children. So when you hear Will sing Lechoo Yaladim, it means walk children. Now, when you hear Will sing Indu, that means you have to stop and stand still like a statue.
Lechoo, Lechoo, Yaladim, Lechoo, Yaladim. Lechoo, Lechoo, Yaladim, Lechoo, Yaladim. Indu, Yaladim. Indu, Yaladim.
Now, Rusu means to run. So when you hear Will sing Rusu Yaladim, run children!
Ruto, Yaladim, Ruto, Yaladim. Ruto, Yaladim, Ruto, Yaladim. Indu, Yaladim. Indu, Yaladim.
Why don't we walk around one more time to Lechoo Yaladim?
Lechoo, Yaladim, Lechoo, Yaladim. Lechoo, Yaladim, Lechoo, Yaladim. Indu, Yaladim. Indu, Yaladim.